this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect SteelSeries Arctis 9X to PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, the 9X is designed to be used primarily with Xbox consoles. So while it is primarily used with these consoles, you can still use it on a PlayStation 4 or even a PlayStation 5. The main difficulty with doing this is that you will not be able to use it wirelessly. So to use this headset wirelessly, all that you would have to do is power it on and hold the power button for a few seconds. Then you do the same with the synchronize button on the Xbox console. However, because the PlayStation does not feature the same connectivity type, it is proprietary to Microsoft, what you have to do instead is use a wired connection. So if you look at the bottom of your headset, you will notice that it has a 3.5mm audio jack. So all that you have to do is use any suitable cable to establish a connection between your headset and the PlayStation 4, or rather the controller. So like I mentioned, this can be any cable. You just purchase an aux cable and you plug one end of the cable into the SteelSeries Arctis 9X, and then the other end goes into usually your DualShock controller. As soon as this is established, you will be able to listen to all of the audio being output on your PlayStation 4 through the SteelSeries 9X. Now, be aware that the microphone is not going to work. The microphone is only designed to work when connected through the primary connection type, which, like I mentioned, is proprietary and only works with Xbox consoles. For this method, where you will be using an aux cable, you will not be able to use the microphone. So when you join any sort of voice chat, no one will be able to hear you. But you can still listen to others, you can still listen to the audio in-game, and so on. It is simple to set up, and all that you have to do is plug one end of the cable into the 9X and another one into the DualShock. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect SteelSeries Arctis 9X to PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.